We are going to check a cancellation request, and you will be notified here under shop notification. Cancellation request needs response. Marielle has requested for cancellation of order. Please respond. Okay, so there are two ways on how you can respond. First, here through notification, if you click this here, okay, if you click this one here, okay, so it doesn't work this time, but you have been notified. Nalaman mo na merong pending order for cancellation and it needs your response. Where can you find it? So here, my orders. Punta ka sa return, refund, cancel. Okay. Punta ka sa all, and here you will find pending orders for cancellation. Now, normally, we will just approve this kapag hindi pa nagagawa. Kapag hindi pa nagagawa ang order. Pero kapag naipak na, you have the opportunity to chat this person, the buyer, dito sa chat box, and i-explain sa kanya kung may concern ka, like kung nagawa na, hindi na pwedeng i-cancel. Kasi, most of our items are made to order. So, before you approve, you have to find, hanapin muna yung ticket, hanapin muna yung parcel. Ano nang status? Nagawa na ba? And kung hindi naman siya nag-request, or kung hindi naman siya hindi naman siya customized, we can consider approve. But again, hanapin muna yung ticket before doing anything here.